Hey, what's up, y'all? Dominoes 7 here. Alright. So, anyway, I haven't vlogged about Jeopardy in a long, long time. But I'm glad to be back to vlog about it, though. Okay? About 20 minutes before Jeopardy come on here in New Orleans on WVUE Fox 8. Okay? Alright, so anyway, I was supposed to vlog about Jeopardy when Rachel Lindgren lost, okay, winning 5 games in a row and stuff like that. But technically, what I want to do, really, what I want to do is tell y'all about Lee Quinn, okay, the guy that lost to Rachel, okay. But when I watch him throughout the whole episode, I can tell he was agitated because the way I looked at him, he looked agitated, you know. I was expecting him to win 5 games like Gilbert Collins did, you know. Another Collins that won that won his way to being a tournament of champions, like Julia Collins, you know. How many of y'all remember Julia Collins being a 20-game winner, okay, from season 30, you know? Well, at first I was thinking about that was Rainy Peffer season, okay, but technically it was Arthur Chu's season, but Julia Collins overtook that. She was the last streak of the biggest winner of season 30, okay, until Arthur Chu was the biggest winner until Julia Collins took that away from him. So, okay. As I was saying, folks, what I want to talk about is yesterday's episode of Jeopardy when Rob Wilson, I'm sorry, I meant to say Rob Wallman lost to Alan Harrison, okay? So, by him winning, and I meant to say getting almost every category, but not all categories, but Rob was losing it, you know. But you know what? I got some advice to Alan Harrison. You know what? I should have said this to Lee Quinn when he defeated Gilbert Collins. Don't blow it, okay? All right, today's the day, but don't blow it, okay? My advice to Alan Harrison: don't blow it, okay? Just like I told Buzzy Cohen after he defeated Andrew Powell, don't blow it, okay? Hopefully you gonna go for your second win. You'll win the 3rd, 4th, and 5th. Let's hope that you win 5 games, okay? Let's hope that you do, okay? All right, cause I want to see you in the Tournament of Champions, Alan. If you're watching this, okay. All right. So, advice to Alan: don't blow it. Like I told Buzzy Cohen, okay. But guess what? Buzzy Cohen almost blew it when he faced off against Jerry, and he almost blew it when he faced off against Ben Rothenberg, whatever his last name is, okay? I don't know his last name, though, okay? But I'm glad Buzzy Cohen won 5 games after defeating streaking champion Andrew Powell, okay? All right? So, my advice to, well, at least Rob didn't blow it, okay? But all I'm telling Alan is please don't blow it. You was an awesome champion yesterday, but I want you to be awesome champion today, Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday, and Thursday, and next Friday too, okay? Please do your best, and don't blow it, okay? Alright. So, anyway, as I was saying, folks, it was good, though, with Rachel Lindgren, okay? So, as far as that, she the first woman streaking champion to qualify for the Tournament of Champions, okay? Well, if it weren't for Lily Chen winning the college championship, Lisa Schlitt would have been the only woman champion to ever be in the Tournament of Champions, okay? So I think I remember all-male tournament of champions one year. So, if anybody remember a tournament of champions with all guys, comment below and tell me, because I forgot, okay? I watched Jeopardy all these years. I missed some episodes of Jeopardy all these years because I was watching cartoons, okay? I even missed episodes of Wheel of Fortune and some episodes of Price is Right, you know? Game shows is my thing, okay? So, that's all, alright? Thank y'all for watching this video. My advice to Allen Harrison, don't blow it, or I'll be very upset, you know? You done good yesterday. I think it was a runaway, but let's hope you do it, okay? Don't blow it like Scott Lennon did. Y'all remember Scott Lennon that had defeated Greg Soroka and got defeated by Andrew Herringer? That was in season 31, you know? Thank God Elliot Yates made it to the tournament champions after defeating Vaughn Winchell and got defeated by John. I forgot his last name, but I'm gonna look that up later. Okay. All right, that's all Dominoes something got to say. All right. Bye bye. Oh, one more thing before I say bye bye. Don't blow it, Allen Harrison. Okay. Win 5 games so you can be in a tournament of champions. Okay. Bye bye.